Well, I think this video is a long time coming, guys. Let me go just a bit further. As I was saying, I owe you this video, but I've been thinking of doing it for a long time, just never got the chance to do it. And in this video I explain to you why I'm not posting. As you all know, hello by the way to all of you guys, and I never took any of you for granted. Anyway, as you all know, I do whatever I did on YouTube and social media was just for the love of riding motorbikes. Nothing more, nothing else. I don't want the fame, I don't want the money, I don't want anything else. I just loved showing what tranquility and less stress riding motorbikes will bring you, and I hope to convey that. Anyway, come COVID time, I started riding less, obviously, and I noticed that I started to get stressed in the sense of I need material to upload, I need to think about something, and I didn't like that feeling. That feeling was alien to me. I do it because I enjoy it, not because I need to get, I ride not to get stressed, and then I started to get stressed because I'm not riding. And I'm not riding because I need material to put on YouTube and on social media, and it just spiraled from there. It became, you know, either I get stressed or I need to do something about it. And I did something about it, which is I decided to take some time off social media, and I've been really enjoying it because, you know, I ride for the sake of riding like I used to, not after what happened is that I wanted to ride just to get material. And you know what I mean, it's a I don't want anybody to feel stressed, and I hate the feeling of being stressed, and I keep saying it because that will lead to depression and will lead to many other problems, and I don't want that for me or for anybody that I know or love, or, you know, just anybody. And that's why I decided to take some time off, and I've been enjoying it. I've been riding every day, I've been riding abroad, but I haven't been recording. This is the first time I put a camera on my helmet in more than a year. Actually a bit more than that even. I just went to MOT the S1000, and I thought it's a beautiful, look at this, beautiful spring day, 20th of March. It is incredible. You know, nothing better than to get your bike and go ride and not get stressed. And I stress that. How many times did I use the word stressed and stress? Anyway, I honestly appreciate every single one of you, and I don't want you to think that I'm above uploading or stuff like that. I just do it I did it for me this time, as opposed to anybody else. Whether I come back in the future or in the near future or you know, nobody can tell. I honestly can't tell you now. I'm enjoying it as it is, but you know, we'll see how it goes. So, contrary to popular belief, I'm not dead. Here I am, RJ, and I haven't lost my license. I'm riding, and there is the beautiful S1000. Look at that. I mean, this is one of my favorite bikes of all time after the Nuda. I will never sell it. Haven't lost my license. I'm not dead. I'm not you know, in prison somewhere. I'm the same cheerful RJ, and I stopped doing that because I wanted to stay being cheerful and positive. So I hope you guys understand. I appreciate you all, and we'll meet in the near future. That's one mean bike, huh?